this is the part of the court that shows the best of this ship and all the Chinese calligraphy, all their images, etc. on it. You could see. I'm trying to zoom it a bit, and you guys can see. We see them in there. Assalamu alaikum, you guys. Welcome back to Dubai Diaries. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, I am here at a very different place today. It's basically a mall, and it's called Ibn Battuta Mall, and it's full of all these creative sites. See, it's Chinese Quarter, I think, and how amazingly they have portrayed all this. And the pagodas at the top, don't they look marvelous? They do. And I'll just go towards this side, and you can have entertainment over here. See the pagoda at the top, it looks too good. And this one, so, and the top one. So I have been here before once, but this one today looks prettily amazing. See, I just wanted to cover this part, maybe take some pictures, and let's go inside. And yeah, it's the Ibn Battuta Mall, and here we are in the Chinese side of it, and it looks really lit and amazing to me. As soon as we entered, we have the pagodas over here, and we have all that Chinese layout at the top and here. Some symbols are being drawn over here regarding their culture and all. So, and yes, you see at the top of it they have written already that it's the China Code, just to let you know that yes, it's the Chinese Quarter. Anyhow, let's go explore this mall to the next level, and I can see my favorite place over here. Let's go inside and see if we are able to find something, and I'll show you what I get from here. So guys, I was looking for my favorite clothing brand and the variety over here, and I'm here now. LC Waikiki. So, and we have Levi's in front of it. So let's go inside and see. This I wanted to show you. Yes. And look at the ceiling, it's all clouds that they have tried to show. So let's go inside and see what variety they have over here that I couldn't find anywhere else. Anyhow, you guys, I like this shirt a lot, but the size was not there in the place that I went to before. That was Dubai Mall. So let's check out the variety. Also, this one I already purchased. It seemed to be very funky to me, and this as well. So let's jump into finding some more stuff from here, and I'll show you finally what I get. So guys, the goods have been secured, and I can show you. Maybe I'll go back home and show it to you guys, the basics that I got from here. And yeah, I'm sorry, we did not even expect this place to be this crowded, but it's really crowded, and there are a lot of people around. Anyhow, just appreciate the beauty of these different quarters, and then the different brands that are here. And on the top of this, the roof, it's all cloudy, and then we have this cute place like it's an Islamic quadrant. We should go near it and see what exactly it is. And it's like 1,000 years of knowledge, and then this is how it is. This is how they have decorated it. Let me show it to you from the front. So again, guys, I am on this plea to make a lot of videos for you guys, time and again, as much as I can. And you could see how pretty these side pillars are. So yeah, stay tuned, and let's go to some other quarter and see what we find over there. And this alleyway, it looks so amazing in the camera. In through naked eye, it is much more amazing. So this is what I wanted to capture. Let me know in the comment box if you are liking my videos, and I'm preparing a lot of new content for you guys in these holidays. Post that we have Eid holidays here in the UAE, and post that as well, I'll make sure to create a lot of content. I would really request you guys to support my channel. Make sure you subscribe to the Dubai Diaries. Thank you. And we have Center Point on the other side, and these cute lights. So I think probably we'll go somewhere, have some coffee, tea, something, a quick bite, and then only we'll move towards the next place. And you could see it's all the architecture. And I wanted to show you these lights. They look really well to me, so I thought why not capture it for you guys as well, maybe for you to appreciate the sport. And because it's a holiday over here, public holiday, so that's why there are a lot of people over here, and I have to move my phone from here and there. Anyhow, my purpose was to capture this prettiest wall that I've seen in Ibn Battuta Mall. So this side, it tells a story of its own, and I think they have renovated it all, because when I came few years back over here, this part wasn't here. And do you see these pretty walls? It looks so amazing. The artwork on it is one of its own, and here also it's all blue, and it looks really spectacular. Again, I would just show you a bit of a glimpse of it to just appreciate the beauty of it. So just as I showed you that it's Eid over here, I wanted to show you guys that it says Eid Mubarak. Yeah, now I can show you. It says Eid Mubarak, and it looks really pretty. So Eid Mubarak all you guys celebrating it today. So it's done on every wall and every side of Ibn Battuta Mall. And here you have this beauty. And you guys, Homes R Us have a very big outlet over here. It's huge, so we tend to go over there, and I'll show you in tidbits if there's some interesting thing that we come across. The traditional Emirati way of doing celebrations is like this. It's really heartwarming. I wanted to capture it for you guys for one of the events, and by chance I was able to do it in Ibn Battuta Mall. So here's a clip for your reference. I could not add the music because it copyright may occur, but it was really amazing. So this is what I was referring to, you guys. This is the amazing part of the ship, and this is how the knob is coming down. Just correct me if I'm wrong, rather I'm wrong. I have forgotten the name of this, and all the artwork that's there, it's really impressive. And for me, I wanted to capture it and show you guys how pretty this part. I think this is the most beautiful part of Ibn Battuta Mall. This is the part of the court that shows the best of this ship, and all the Chinese calligraphy, all their images, etc. on it. You could see. I'm trying to zoom it a bit, and you guys can see, we see them in their movies as well. Anyhow, I wanted to show you guys this pretty part of the China Quarter of Ibn Battuta Mall, and stay tuned for some more stuff coming ahead for you guys.